friends, we will see an experiment. I have 10 objects, 5 sink in the water and 5 float on the water. Let's start the experiment. I have a leaf. If I put in the water, it will float. See, it is floating. Leaf is light. Leaf floats on the water. I have a piece of wood. When I put in the water, it will float. Wood is light and it floats on the water. I have a piece of paper. If I put in the water, it will float. Paper is light, so it floats on the water. Now I have a plastic duck. If I put in the water, it will float. Plastic duck is light in weight, so it floats on the water. I have a ball. It is light in weight. If I put in the water, it will float. Since the ball is light in weight, so it floats on the water. Now let's see heavy objects. I have this heavy star. If I put in the water, it will sink. But since it's a heavy object, it sinks in the water. I have this panel. If I put it in the water, it will sink. Since panel is heavy, it sinks in the water. Now I have a stone. If I put it in the water, it will sink. Stone is heavy, so it sinks in the water. Now I have a crayon. If I put it in the water, it will sink. This crayon is heavy, it sinks in the water. Now my friends, you know, heavy and light objects float and sink in the water. Thank you.